Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel and my face. How are you all of you? Hope you all are doing great. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now I am here. It's situated Hamayatpur district, Gazipur. Actually, I'm also walking on the river. What is the name? This river I don't know, but it is very amazing for me because river all time fulfill natural beauty. It is it is true. Okay. Uh, this river water is so clean, looks like, and another is this water is spreading just bad smell. It is so disgusting for me. Indeed, river was one of time just fresh water. Nowadays, this river going to just bad water. Uh, it is not able to river. It is problem us because we are making bad condition all of nature. It is our problem. So that's why now we are unable to just getting proper natural view, proper natural beauty. It is so lack of, yeah. uh, we should just always proper use all of things, all of natural oil, yeah, because if we are making bad condition, we are getting result bad effects, yeah. That's why we should always proper use all of natural oil, yeah. Okay, actually this time is afternoon time. River is so beautiful looks like, and also over there sun is just going to off. Now it is close to evening time, just in the 11th day. This time is, yeah. Actually this is very wonderful and beautiful nature. Fulfill is natural beauty here. That's why just uh, I wish to making a video here, and now just I'm making a video because i'm always I'm always crazy to natural beauty. It is my habits. I'm accustomed to going natural beauty. It is my childhood habit. Yeah, that's why wherever I'm stray, I try to searching a natural beauty place. It is my habits. I'm all times at searching as a like views, as a like natural place. Yeah, it is very amazing. It is very amazing for me. Have a look, guys. Now, little by little, I try to show you river, and on the river bank, all of natural things. There have lot of grass, lot of trees, lot of uh, and lot of birds just flying. Some far distance, just river on the sky. Yeah. Uh, Actually, maybe I'm unable to acquire all of views because my camera is not high resolution, and my camera is my camera is normal resolution. That's why I'm unable to just acquire all of views to farm me. Yeah. Okay, today no more now. This time I'm off. Inshallah, hope to see you next time. Another place, another to another purpose. uh, have a good day, have a good dream, and keep good condition, and keep happiness, and stay happy, stay wealth and health. It is my expectation. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.